In this video, I will guide you on how to fix the Instagram keeps stopping error and get your feed back up and running. This common problem usually occurs from corrupted cache files, outdated software, or a lack of available memory on your device. To fix this error, first you want to perform a forced restart of the app. On most devices, you can do this by opening your app switcher. Now swipe the Instagram app away completely. This will kill all the background process associated with the app. If the app still crashes immediately upon opening, you need to clear the app's temporary data. For that, on Android, head over to Settings, now tap on Apps, then select Instagram from here, now select Storage, tap Clear Cache. For iPhone users, since iOS doesn't support a manual cache button, you will need to offload the app by going to Settings, General, iPhone Storage, Instagram and selecting Offload App. After you've done that, you can simply reinstall the app. Now check if your problem is fixed. If it is not, you want to check for version mismatch. Apps often crash when they are no longer compatible with the current operating system. For this, you want to open Google Play Store or Apple App Store, search for Instagram. Here, if you find the option of Update, tap on that. If you are already on the latest version and the crashing persists, the problem may be a deep-rooted installation error. For this, you want to uninstall the app entirely. Once you have uninstalled, you want to restart your phone. After it has been restarted, you want to again install the application. Finally, ensure your phone's internal storage isn't at maximum capacity. If your device has less than 1 GB of free space, apps like Instagram struggle to load media and will force close. To fix this, you want to delete the unnecessary large files or old videos from the gallery to give the app room to breathe. Once these steps are completed, Instagram should function smoothly without any interruptions. That's the end of this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe.